how to fix a black screen on your Chromebook but the power light is on. So if you're seeing a black screen like you see here, but you can see that the power light is displaying as on, I'm going to show you how to go and fix this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is go and grab your charging cable and make sure it's plugged into the Chromebook like so. You then need to come over to the keyboard, and you need to go and press down the refresh button and also the power button on your keyboard. So you can see that this one at the top is the refresh button and the power button is over on the right hand side. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold down these two buttons together, and you need to hold these down for around about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, go and release these two buttons. You then need to go and hold down just the power button for 3 seconds, and you should see your Chromebook turn on, and that should go and fix the black screen issue. If it's still not working, then go and disconnect the power cable and then hold down the power button for around about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds have passed, you can then try turning on your Chromebook and checking to see if that solves the issue.